Hey y'all, welcome to RNEWBBQ. I'm Richard. Glad you could join me today. On today's video, as you can see, I'm not in my normal spot and I'm not in my normal shirt. One of my OG shirts. Because we're going to get a little dirty today. Today we're starting the modification process of the Kingsford Stockade. I got it back in May. I've tried to use it several times over the past couple months. It just doesn't do what it's supposed to do. The temperature gauge is about a foot away from the grates. Put another probe in there. Everything's off. The paint's peeling on it already. The grill and me are not friends right now. So I've tried everything I can do besides modifying it, but I'm sick of it and we're going to start the modification process and painting of it. So let's get started. Here's the Kingsford Stockade. 36-inch grill. Very nice grill. Paint's peeling already, as you can see. Although, I'm underneath a structure. Guess I got to find a cover for this or something. But what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put some temperature probes right here along the grill. And then I'm going to make a baffle system underneath here with some gauge metal and drill some holes in it, small to big.